Just look at this. Little Debbie's Christmas tree cake dessert dip. Woohoo! It's episode 6 of my series. Short and sweet, delicious dessert dips. If you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I know it's a few weeks till Christmas, but I wanted to get this delicious dessert dip in my series in case you wanted to make it for the holiday. So, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. I have my ears on and my red on. You know what? I have a green screen I've been working with that I'm having so much fun with, and I completely forgot. You can't wear any green if you're using a green screen. And I had to take my other headband off and my shirt because they had green on them and I would disappear. So anyway, have any of you heard of Little Debbie? Well, Little Debbie's been around for a long time. Little Debbie has cakes and brownies and cookies, and especially around the holidays, she has Christmas trees. So the dip we're making today has taken over the internet for a while now, but this is my first time making it, and it's Little Debbie's Christmas tree cake dessert dip. That's a mouthful. So what do I need to show you first? This is what Little Debbie's box looks like at Christmas, and all the stores are putting them out now. And this says on it, Little Debbie, and that's Little Debbie over here. And it says Christmas tree cakes, and there's 5 of them in the box. You're going to need 2 boxes of this. Now, Little Debbie also has out brownies in the shape of a tree. You're not buying the brownies. You have to use the white Christmas tree cakes. And this is how they come. They're wrapped individually in little cellophane bags, and they're decorated. So, I opened one box and I put one aside for some decoration later on. And I have the other 4 out. Now I'm going to open up this one. And you'll see there's 5 little Christmas trees in this one. So I'm going to move these aside. This dip is so festive. You're going to love it for the holidays. Oh, yes, you will. So, it's very popular. It's a creamy, yummy dessert dip. So what do we need to do first? Well, I have a scissors here. I'm going to open up my little Christmas trees, take them out. I have a cutting board here. Oh, what? Did I take the star off the tree? Oy, oy, oy. All right, doesn't matter because I'll show you why. We are going to unwrap our Little Debbie trees, and with a knife, we're going to chop them, poor little guys, coarsely. So we're just going to do this, just like that. So we're going to chop up our trees. So I'll do another one. And I hope if you haven't watched my series on delicious dessert dips, I hope you'll go take a look. I've done some really good ones. And the last one I did, I'll have the link below for you, was a gingerbread dessert dip. I gotta tell you, if you like gingerbread, it's yummy. So I'm gonna do these off camera, and as soon as I'm done chopping up all these trees, I'll be back and I'll show you what we do next. And just so you know, the trees are just coming out in the stores now. See how I'm chopping these? And I noticed a lot of stores have them on sale. I happen to have picked them up at my local supermarket. They had big displays of them, and they were 2 boxes, I think, for $5, which really wasn't bad. So let me keep coarsely chopping up these trees, and I'll be right back. Don't go away. I'm almost done chopping them up, and remember, I put one aside that I did not chop up for garnishing later on. And if you're not familiar with Little Debbie's cakes, these are a vanilla cake. They're iced and decorated, and they have, I don't know if you can see this, a layer of cream in the middle. So we have one more to do. I'm going to save a nice one for garnishing. This is our last one. Now after you get all of your Little Debbie trees, Christmas trees, chopped up, you're going to need a bowl. So there's our last one. Nothing fancy, no rhyme or reason. I'm just going to put this aside. Okay. Now I'm going to take out my bowl. Alrighty. And in my bowl, I'm going to add all of the cubes of the Christmas trees. My hands are clean, but you know what? I'll lift up my board and I'll just scoop them all in there. Yes. Come on, little trees. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. Just hit the subscribe and the little bell twice down below, and that's it. You'll be a subscriber because I have a lot more Christmas goodies coming up. And those of you that have been following me know that quite often you'll see me dress up in character for some of my videos. Today, not so much. Just my little headband. I had pretty green Christmas tree earrings on, and I said, Dolores, what are you doing? You have a green screen. Nobody's going to see the earrings. So I had to change. All right. So our chopped up Christmas trees are in here. The next thing we're going to need is 8 ounces. That's 1 package of softened cream cheese. I use the regular full fat cream cheese. So let's put that in. Alrighty. And this is what that looks like. And then to that, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of milk. This is all made in one bowl, so it's great. So now I have my cake, my milk, and my cream cheese in there. So I am going to take my hand mixer, and I'm going to mix up all this lusciousness in here until the mixture is nice and smooth. So here I go. Okay, that looks like it's done to me. This is what it should look like. All incorporated and smooth. Okay, so now I have a spatula here. And to this mix, I'm going to add in a small container. This is an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. So I'm going to put that in with the spatula and fold it in. And then I'm going to mix that and fold it in with my spatula till it's just all combined. So 1 bowl and just a few ingredients for this yummy dip. Now once I get all of this mixed up, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. I'm going to show you how I like to serve it, and we're going to do a taste testing. So don't go away. Well, of course, this just fell off for the 4th time, so I have no idea what it looks like, but that's okay. All right, let me try a little star pretzel first, because then you'll have that sweet and salty. So let me see. And of course, you know what is left over you have to keep in the refrigerator. It's good. Very good. I just think it tastes more like a, this is going to go off again, a very creamy vanilla dessert dip. I like it with the pretzel because you do have that salt on the pretzel and then the sweetness in the dip. Okay, now I'm going to try it with a cookie. I think I'll try a little star cookie. These are little, I think they're just little mini sugar cookies. See what it says on the box. It just says that they're miniature, home-style cookies. All right. Okay, let's try the cookie. Mmm. They're both good in completely different ways. I don't know. I think I personally prefer the cookie. These cookies, they're not real hard. They're just like a nice soft sugar or shortbread cookie. The pretzels are delicious. They're a completely different taste because they're very salty and then the dip is sweet. But I think it's very good. And honestly, just for this presentation alone, I would make it to put on my dessert table. So, pretty good. I wanted to do a taste testing for the video, but when I make it, I might chill it a little bit in the refrigerator. So it's a little colder when you serve it. But I think it's very good. So give it a try. Let the kids help you make it. They'll really enjoy it. Kids or your grandkids, these are really easy recipes for the whole family. So I want to thank you for stopping by. A big shout out to all my new subscribers. I hope you'll come back. And I just love you all, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So hopefully I'll see you again. But for now, I'll just say happy holidays, because we still have Thanksgiving to go, and then Christmas. And I will see you all very soon. Love you. Woohoo! Toodles.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start